In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the WPS button on your AT&T router to easily connect devices to your Wi-Fi network. WPS, which stands for Wi-Fi Protected Setup, allows you to connect compatible devices without typing in your Wi-Fi password. On most AT&T routers, the WPS button is located on the back or side of the unit, usually labeled WPS or marked with two arrows forming a circle. To connect a device using WPS, first make sure the device supports WPS. On the device, go to the Wi-Fi settings and start the WPS connection process. This is often called WPS push button or something similar. Next, press and hold the WPS button on your AT&T router for about 2 seconds. The WPS light will start blinking, indicating the router is ready to pair. Within 2 minutes, your device should connect automatically to your Wi-Fi network. If it doesn't, try moving the device closer to the router and repeat the steps. Keep in mind that WPS has security vulnerabilities. It's best to use it only when needed and disable it afterward through your router's admin settings. You can access these by entering the router's IP address into a web browser. If the connection keeps failing, restart both your router and device. Also, ensure your device's firmware is up to date for the best compatibility. Using the WPS button is a quick way to add devices, but always weigh convenience against security. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.